Buntis ka ba at boboto sa initan? Teka lang, safe ba yan para kay baby? Election day. Mainit, mahaba ang pila. Pero gusto mong bumoto. First time mo at gusto mong gampanan ang civic duty mo kahit buntis ka. Pero paano kung sobrang init? Paano kung matagalan? Safe ba para sa'yo at kay baby? As an OBGYN, here are my voting day safety tips para sa mga buntis. Number 1, hydrate. Magdala ng tubig, hindi lang isa, at least 1 to 2 liters para iwas dehydration. Number 2, avoid long lines. Kung pwede, bumoto ng maaga o huli para iwas crowd at iwas puyat. Number 3, bring snacks. Magdala ng light, healthy snacks. Crackers plus peanut butter? Pwede. Number 4, comfy shoes. Hindi ito fashion show. Wear comfy shoes to support your feet. Number 5, umbrella at pamaypay. Proteksyon sa araw, lalo na kung walang bubong ang pila. Number 6, let someone know. Sabihan ang partner o family mo kung saan ka buboto, lalo na kung nag-iisa ka lang. Number 7, kung may high-risk pregnancy ka, better to consult your OBGYN first. Pregnancy is not a limitation. Pwede ka pa rin bumoto. Basta handa ka, alisto ka, at inisip mo ang kaligtasan ni baby. Dr. Carla here, your OBGYN online. Real talk lang, walang filter, just facts, care, and science.